hit the wrong button, Logan. Hi, baby. Can you do it again? You did a really good job, and Mommy pushed the wrong button, and I missed it. Oh, can I see me? Can I see me? Oh, you got so excited. Yeah. Oh, he's coughing. All right, Logan. Woo. Oh, he fell down again. Hi, silly boy. Logan, talk to me. Up. Oh, where are you taking him? Oh, gosh. Stop. We're not going to be able to watch this without getting sick to our stomachs. It's like being on a roller coaster. Okay. Calm it down. Oh. All right. Don't get so excited. You walked all the way last time. Oh, stand him up. Let him get his balance before you let go. Oh, well, if he's going to run away, I guess you have to let go. Oh, dear. All right, Andrew, I'm taping. Please stop. There we go. Oh, you made it so far. You guys did a good job. Hi, Logan. You gonna say something to me? Say, Emily, it's my video. Oh, there he goes. He's gone again. Logan, come back to the picture. Oh, dear. Here we go. Oh, could you hold him up for a minute? Andrew, could you stop singing? You did it. You did it. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, no, she's taking you away again. There you go. She's taking you away again. Uh-oh. All right, tease him, boy. Oh, dear. No crawling. Crawling's like cheating. All right, last one, and then Mommy turn it off. I got a line in my camera. I don't know if it's going to show up like that or not. Andrew, I asked you to stop. Come on, baby. Come on the camera. Oh, no.
Say hi.
We love you. Bye-bye, Logan. Bye-bye, Emily.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Good night, Andrew. Good night, Andrew.